Asian Kendra Shillong ipdiang sau bai phi shaka thup khubor mata ka jan mit shwaban phash ki khubor ki babnia nginya pet shwai ki mat bakong san Hadin bala pendep ya ka examen foreign medical graduates ong ka National Medical Commission baki samla puli Dr. Bopule Shabari kilaban pendep ya ka jing puli badang sa ka jongki ha India Penlong ka Regional Outreach Bureau ya ka jing pen inam ya ki dur ha umsning kumshi benta ban rakhe ya ka azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. Ka Meghalaya ka jilla ka Bakhandai ban wengno ya ka jing ya minjur bat ka CBI halor ki kam tokin. Bat ong ukli do ka MPCC uba Vincent H. Pala badai tang gajing be seng Bashirta kabahab banle ya kisan ngut ki MLA. Ki khubor ki babania ka National Medical Commission kalapan bana bagi samla ki bapule doktor bapule Shabari kila aban pendep ya kajing pule ka badang sa ka jongki ha India ya kane lapan bana hadin baladep ban wansha ya ki samla pule doktor na Ukraine. Ka NMC kalapan bana hadian ke jingkmi benia bat yoi baladon kato ka ningut ki samla puli doktor ki bampat pendep ya ke jing puli na ka daw jong ka jingwan jia kum ka klam covid bat kathma ya ka jing penrung kerteng la ban penrung leng ba ki State Medical Council halor ka jing penshisha ba ki samla puli ki la pendep ya ka examen foreign medical graduate hashwa ban apply ya ka jing pendep ya ka jing puli ha India. Kumshi benta ban rakhe ya ka jing dap nyopasan snem jong ka jing light luit kari lane ka azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav Katanat Ministry of Information and Broadcasting Regional Outreach Bureau Meghalaya bat Tripura kalapan long ya ka program ha Omsning Dorbar Auditorium Hall Omsning ha ka ba o Deputy Commissioner ka Ribhoy District u Arpit Upadhyay u layashim benta kum ukongsan bat u Block Development Officer ka Omsning CNRD Block u Raja Brahma kum usimbut kongsan Hakane gajing rakhe la penlong ya gajing pen inam ya kidur jong kinong ya le light luit kari bat gajing shat bat ruai nakakin hon snap paka.
Our forefathers, the makers of our nation, they fought for us for ideals like equality, justice, brotherhood, fraternity, the freedom to make our choices, the freedom to express ourselves, the freedom to decide what I want to do in my life, the decisions which I make.
As to celebrate 75 years of independence, Muslim Sinandi Bloc to celebrate 70 years of the journey of its existence. Muslim Bloc, before it was known as a Ribhoy Tribal Development Bloc, it was established in the year 1952. So see, just after the freedom, within 5 years, a CNRD Bloc was established under the Free India.
Menteri Rangba ka jilla u Conrad K. Sangma ulaong bakaray jong ka sarkar jilla ban wengno ya ka jingya minjur bat ka Central Bureau of Investigation halor ki kam tokit kalong kat kum ka kendon. Buon ki jilla kila shim ya kanigaray bat ka sarkar jilla ru ka don hapadeng ka linti ban pintre kam ya kani. Bat lada don manu-manu ki bakwa ban le ka jing tokit ki ha ban pan jingbit na ka sarkar. Ka Meghalaya kalalong ka jilla ka Bakhandai ka ban wengno na ka jingate bat ka CBI na ka benta ki jing tokin.
Normal thing. Most states have done it, and it's not that it is done now. It's been, in fact, the decision was made quite a long time back. So it's maybe I think almost I can't remember exactly the date, but it has been done very very long time back. So therefore, it's a normal thing where states aspect is there, and there's a decision that we take, and a lot of states have taken it. So it's in line with that, that anybody who wants to come in here has to take consent from the state. So that's all. It's a normal procedure. There's nothing off to think about it. It's a normal procedure.
Ukledu ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H. Pala ulaong badai tang gejing be seng Bashirta ya ki sangut ki MLA kibla lej ban penyaso bat ka sorkar MDA kabla senrop lang bat ka seng BJP kabala ban yarap ya ka Congress. Uba Pala ulaong bakiti ki sangut ki MLA kimla ban kam bakide ki MLA Shimet namar bala tip ya ki kum ki MLA ka Congress. Gejing be seng Bashipor kamde gejing pinshitom Henry kade ka por bakila ban ya kren penbej la ben rap shu uba Pala. Ulaong ru bala dep thung ya ka kenhun ka ban let ya kendo ya ki tigi sangut ki MLA hadin bala dep ya kren bat ki nong tray ka seng bat on sapha e ka kai pot sha ka AICC.
Suspension is not a punishment. Suspension is only a time where you can talk, negotiate, and you can also work. That's always there, like a government servant. So all these are there. So it's not me who asked. It is the district president of the concerned districts, and the block president said that we need talk to them, and then we'll come to a conclusion. That's why they authorized us. So when they authorize us, we'll send a committee and we'll approach them also.
Ka Meghalaya Tribal Teachers Association METTA Nehu kalapin ko buram ya i Professor Badaplin War hakajinga don ringkat u Vice Chancellor ka Northeastern Hills University u Professor Prabha Shankar Shukla. Hagani kasi u Professor Shukla ula ay jingkren hakaktien Khasi syapang ki kam jong i Professor War ban kentia ya kaktien bat katho katar ki Khasi. Uong ru ba ilalong inong prat linti ya ki samla ban kentia ya ki patba bat ka imlang sa lang jong gajilla. U Professor Shukla ula ay sngaw bahada ka jan dhara siya i Professor War ban nakaliang jong ka METTA Nehu i President ilapin sngaw da kikintin hakadul jong ka poetry.
या ई प्रोफेसर दानिवार वा ई मान रा या का गुरु वार्ड का नाम बिंदा का स्कूल वा न्यू वार्ड का जिला वड़ा कॉलेज.
And I'm very grateful for my senior colleagues for giving me so many opportunities to contribute and at the same time perhaps further my career as a researcher and also as a teacher. I cannot overemphasize the fact that being in a central university like Northeastern University has given all of us, not just me, all of us, tremendous opportunities to excel in what we do.
Kabor Penyai District jong ka West Giant Hills District kalapen long ya ka public hearing nakabentaban bu ya ka jaka bret nyut hamushut sdai kabahap hapo ka shnong that musem kani ka jaka kabron hadu shispa akar kadai ka jong i bayamon lang shilla bala jet da katanat ki kampan roy sor ha ka ba ka juwai municipal board kala ban pendan kam ban bret nyut katkum ka ain solid waste management rules ar hajar khan riu u deputy commissioner ka West Giant Hills District uba Garrett LSN Dykes ula penyai ya kani ka public hearing hakaje don ringkat u BDO kathat lasken bat magistrate santili kishnong ki bakintop ya kashnong nongkro that musem larnai muka beng bat sopo haringkat kiseng bhalang kida penpau ya kajing persya yo sapriang kajing jabo.
Tama kam ki wahe khamtam wa mani pan ki jing rshan lu pai ba pan ki jing support lu pai ba wa khnang yo tipi upai ba pediang nam pediang mo ham pan jong yi gani ham chna chibon ki de ki jing chna yang phi la lu pai ba pediang ye bi da chna.
Ha Meghalaya ladon arp sangut kibi bit thamai ke jingpang COVID-19 haki arp saw kenta balala bat penlong ye ke jingdon jong ki badang sha sumar sha ka shispa saw punyongut ladon iwe ibla klat na kani ke jingpang bat kentiu ye ke jingdon jong baro ki bla klat sha ka shi hajar sanspa prapulai ngut katba hakari ladon khandai spa arp wengut kibi bit thamai ke jingpang COVID-19 haki arp saw kenta balala ka jingdon jong ki badang sha sumar na kani ke jingpang hakari kalong riu pulai hajar praspa nyopu prangut katanat ka kot kakya jong ka sorkar pedeng kelapen bena baladon palat khatwe hajar ngut ki blakot haki arp saw kenta balala hakari bat kentiu ya ka jingdon jong baro ki blakot syaka khandai pu pra point riu san na ka shispa ladon baro palat saw klor arp pulai ngut ki blakot na kani ka jingpang hakari hadu menta. Mentapat nginyapet ya ka jinglong jingman ka sui meneng ha Shillong. Ka jing shet kalong arpo point lai degree Celsius, bat ka jing kriat kalong pra point nyo degree Celsius. Ka jing singam ka hau kalong sau pra na ka shispa min step, bat sau pun riu na ka shispa jan mit. Ka sui meneng kan rang ha Shillong bat ki jaka ba marjan. Sa shisien pat ngipen kan maya pi ba ya ka ne ka kubo jongi pila ruban pet live ha ka YouTube channel jong ka DD News Shillong. Shwaban poi siya kapakot jong katup kubor ng nyapet biyang sa shisien niya kimat bakong san. Hadian bala pendep ya ka excellent foreign medical graduates ong ka National Medical Commission bagi samla puli doktor bapule Shabari kilaban pendep ya ka jing puli badangsa ka jongki ha India. Penlong ka Regional Outreach Bureau ya ka jing peninam ya ki dur ha omsning kum shibenta ban rakhe ya ka azadi ka Amrit Mahotsav. Ka Meghalaya ka jilla ka Bakhandai ban wengno ya ka jingya minjur bat ka CBI halor ki kam tokin. Bat ong ukli do ke MPCC uba Vincent H. Pala badai tang kejing be seng Bashirta kabahap banle ikisan ngut ki MLA. Tiparlok katung ila poi syaka bekut jong katup kubor jingi minta ka janmiet hado bagi dia syambiang bat pila syai kesngi kublei pi baro.
Got it. सोचिए अगर असल जिंदगी में ऐसी हालत हो तो कितनी मुश्किलें होती हैं, लेकिन शुक्र है बैंकिंग के लिए नहीं। अगर आपकी उम्र 70 साल से अधिक हो या आप दिव्यांग हो तो बैंक आपको कुछ जरूरी बैंकिंग सुविधाएं